Yes, you did. You did see them naked.
Almost.
Almost? What do you mean almost?
I mean, almost.
Like, what does that mean?
Like not naked, naked the whole thing.
Only the bottom?
Only parts, some parts.
Important parts, right?
Okay, so what's your question?
Did you have fun with your? Oh my god, this guy keeps calling me. I have to turn off my everything. So, like, did you? How do you say that in English? Go to second base? Is that what they call it?
What's second base?
Like, did you touch him or you just kiss?
I did.
You did. Like,
Yeah.
like this, like this.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Okay, I just wanted to clarify. So you did that.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. I thought that you didn't do anything, so I was like, "Oh, is it gonna
No.
be uncomfortable when we meet?" But it's okay. It's okay that you at least did something.
But change the subject.
One more question, and I change the subject. I promise. Okay?
Okay.
It's a naughty question. It's a naughty question. I have to tell you. You don't have to answer if you feel
Okay.
uncomfortable.
Okay. Go on. Go on.
Did you put it in mouth?
Yes.
Oh my god, that's so hot. Okay, we have to change the subject, or I will get horny and I will get naked. That's not good. That's not gonna happen. We have to change the subject.
Okay. Let's change the subject. What's your
Was it
Instagram?
big?
We're changing the
Okay,
subject.
we're changing the subject. Okay, sorry. So what did you ask
So
me?
what's your Instagram?
What?
What's your Instagram?
Here, I will
Why
type it.
did
I will
you?
type you my Instagram and you send me a message, okay? Okay, you
You're
send me a
following me,
message
but I
and
just
I
sent a message.
send me a message and I will see if you if I see you. Okay?
What?
Send me a message.
So you don't want me to add you?
No, don't add me. Just. Did you send message?
What should I say?
Hello. Like
Hi.
hi. Okay. I will see if you wait. I'm not getting your message. Wait.
You're getting the message. You sure I'm not supposed to add you?
Wait. No, don't tell me. No, no, no. Don't tell. Oh, this is this you? No, it's not. This is not. I'm getting some. The problem is I'm getting a lot of messages because I'm famous, and
Okay, I'm
it
sending
goes
it
to my
now.
requests. You know.
I'm sending a dot.
Did you send anything?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Wait.
Wait, wait, wait. Why you said don't add me?
Because if you add me, people who
Uh huh.
follow me,
Yeah.
they see you, and some you will get maybe 10 followers because people see who follows me. If it's a girl, people are like, "Oh, it's a girl. I
And
will
I
follow her."
can delete.
I mean, you can, but I mean, I don't care if you add me, like you can, but I don't ask anyone to add me.
Yeah, you're being nice.
What?
You're trying to be nice.
Yes, so you can relax.
Yeah, I did. So now you can find my message, maybe. I added you right now.
I cannot find you.
I added you just right now.
Yeah, I cannot find you.
Maybe. Okay, here's the thing. Search this. I'm giving you my ID.
Okay, okay. Wait. Okay, I find you.
Nice.
Hello.
What? Okay, yeah, you found me.
Hello, I am from Serbia. Heart. No, is this not heart?
What are you typing here?
What? I cannot. Look, I type heart and I cannot type heart. Look. What the fuck is this? Crazy. Okay, so I will have to go in like 3 minutes. I have to go.
Okay.
I will type you send messages on Instagram, so we will talk there.
Okay.
I was so happy and pleased to meet you. You didn't tell me your name. I am Bogdan. Bogdan.
Seriously.
What's your name?
You saw my name on Instagram, so.
I want you to say it.
What? Say my name?
Okay, don't say her name. I will see on Instagram. Okay. Well, bye bye. Thank you for spending your time with me. I'm so glad that you did.
Bye. Oh my fucking god.
What happened?
Seriously?
What happened?
Oh my god, I'm not gonna add you. I just got 81 requests on Instagram. What the fuck?
I told you not to add me. I told you not to add me.
You didn't add me back.
I didn't because I'm super famous.
Okay, so what happens if you add someone?
Oh, then you become Insta famous.
Okay, I'm gonna show you. Look at this. And I don't like to keep requests. I answer them so fast, okay?
You will not answer them because you will get so many requests.
But
Because you are
look at that.
Yeah, that's crazy. Well, that's that. Well, I have to go right now. You fucked up.
Okay. That was weird. That was weird.
Well, I'll be talking to you on Instagram. I hope.
What do you mean you hope?
Like you will answer.
Hey, what's happening on my Instagram?
Yep. That happened.
Oh, no, okay, this is not normal. Like, many people have many followers. They have millions of followers.
Did you follow?
But when you,
My fan base is crazy. When they see girls, they're like, oh my god.
what are you talking about? It's fucking 400.
Oh, no, you're lying.
It's 540 now.
You're lying. What the fuck? That's crazy. Crazy. You're lying. I mean, you're not lying. You showed it to me. Crazy.
I'm not lying. I'm not fucking lying. Look at here.
Crazy.
It's 728. How am I supposed to answer this?
Don't answer, just ignore. I really have to, it's 2020, 12:20 in Serbia. Have to go record. Or you want me to record with you?
I think you're actually recording me right
No,
now. This is not.
don't say that.
You're recording.
Nope.
This is not normal. You're recording.
No, I'm just super famous.
No. You're actually recording.
Nope.
Okay. Wait, I'm not even following you. Shut up. You're recording.
Nope, I am not recording you. Don't show middle finger to me. I am cute and we are perfect for each other.
You're recording me.
No, I'm
That's
not.
for sure.
I don't deserve middle finger.
You're recording me because I'm not even following you.
Because I cancelled your follow request to save you.
You're not saving me. It's still coming.
Because you followed me, I cancelled your request.
Okay, if you want me to believe, take off your shirt.
Okay.
No, do something else.
What? You want me to twerk? Like, I don't care. Like, I... Okay? I'm not recording. Like,
Look, I'm not following you. This is weird. People are following me. I don't think you're serious.
what?
What happened? How can I save myself?
Why did you follow me?
I did.
You're crazy girl. You're crazy hot girl. You're hot, you're beautiful, but you are crazy.
Look at fucking this. That's my time limit. I'm not gonna let you go till you explain this for me.
Okay, no, I will not go. I will not run away. I'm never running away from a beautiful girl.
Okay, so serious. I'm serious. Really serious. Explain this. Why it's not ending?
What's not what ending?
Look at fucking this.
What? You're famous because you follow me.
Shut up. This is making me nervous. This is making
Don't.
me nervous.
Wait. You're crossing the line. Do not be nervous because you don't have a reason to be nervous. You are, listen to me, you are looking at me, okay? You are cute, you are beautiful, you are hot, and you are funny. You are interesting. You have no reason to be nervous about anything.
I don't want my Instagram to be like this.
You will cancel those followers and easy.
Oh my god, it's still coming. Seriously, I can't.
Do you want me to send you my channel to show you that I'm not filming?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me send it to you.
Oh my god. My Instagram is seriously on my nerve. Seriously. Do something.
How can I do something? I told you don't follow me. And you, what did you do? Oh my god, I hiccup. You know hiccup?
I don't care. Do something. I don't know. Put a story and say, I hate this girl, don't follow.
If I put a story and say I hate this girl, you will get 50,000 followers.
I'm actually getting 50,000.
You want me to post? You want me to post a story with you? Oh, you want me to? Okay, I have to start recording. You holding me? I will start recording right now, and then you will see what happens when I start recording. How many followers you will get? No, come on.
recording right now.
No, trust me. When I start recording, you will see how many followers you will get. This is nothing.
How? I'm still getting that.
Because I'm super famous. I don't know how many times I have to tell you.
Oh my fucking god. Oh my. No.
No, what?
Look at my requests. Look. Seriously, I am live, and people are saying I am live.
No, you're not. They are lying. They are little pieces of shit who are lying. Don't listen to those cunts. They are pieces of shit who are lying. They are lying. They are lying. They are pieces of shit who are lying. Little deep shits. Lying pieces of shit. Can we start recording right now? Don't cover you with your finger. You're beautiful. Don't cover your beautiful face.
Shut up! I'm trying to have my Instagram personal.
It's too late.
Instagram?
I'm starting to record. Wait.
No. I'm gonna stop.
No. Wait. Don't stop.
It's still.
Okay.
Yo.
I'm starting to record now.
I'm on live. People are saying I'm live.
They are
Don't
lying.
Smile like that. I'm not stupid.
They are lying. Girl. They are lying.
Yo, listen to me. The only thing you can do right now is to tell your followers to stop requesting.
Wait. Let me start recording. Then I will tell them to stop requesting. Okay?
No.
Wait. I'm starting recording.
Okay, so bye.
No.
Bye.
No. Stay. Stay.
Bye.
Wait, no. No! 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 Haha!